Okay, this is what we have here, a screen recording of how to go into Atlas and align standards and benchmarks in the Diploma program. So I'm going to go to my Google Chrome. I go into the teacher portal to get to Atlas, and it's located down here in the bottom. That's one place to get to it, right on the front of the teacher portal. Also, the RIS Tech Corner is right here if anybody wants to go check that out, because I put a lot of stuff there all the time. Also, the Diploma spot with Michael's announcements can be located on the front portal also. So, we go to Atlas and sign in. And see, I've already signed into Atlas, and I go into a course, and I'm going to go into something like develop, and I'm going to go into abnormal psychology here into the unit. As you can see, they've been updated already, but what's important here is I want to show you specifically what you need to do in order to front load, and front loading is simply just bypassing an alignment process done through an assessment. So normally what you would do is you would add some sort of an assessment, like a test, and then you would do the alignment through the test, aligning, of course, to the aims and objectives. So I want to add new benchmarks. And what you actually get are a couple of different boxes here. You get these three boxes. The first one is this diploma. You get, by clicking the top box, you get access to all the different standards and benchmark, basically the different standards that we use here at RIS, with the diploma ones located a little bit further down, and even the nets, which are down here as well. The nets are there, of course, our technology standards, but our diploma standards are located, or aims and objectives can be located here. And so, for example, psychology is the one that we're using, and I'm already then should say which exams. Of course, the 2011 was when we started the newest syllabus. So here's the diploma, age 16 to 18. If we had MYP and PYP, then those would be identified here. But since we only have DP, that's been shown there. And then, of course, you can then focus on aims, objectives, different assessment criteria, and of course looking at your core and options. And we're going to go into options here because abnormal psychology is an option in psychology, and we'll click, I'm sorry, made a mistake there. I'm going to cancel that and do it again. Going into option, and then it actually is going to give me the different options that exist. And abnormal psychology is those options, as you see, because it's important that we focus on all of these things. As a unit, abnormal psychology gets all the different checks here, and I'm just going to save it. And you'll see that when it comes to down here, abnormal psychology is identified here under the different, basically, of course, the objectives of that option. Above, you'll see the different aims and objectives in the course, specifically for psychology. These are all easily you can delete by clicking X. You can actually save. You should make sure you always save the unit. One of the things that's easy to do is click the view, which then allows you to go and see the unit in this particular as almost like a locked document to see exactly all the standards and benchmarks, or the DP, the aims and objectives for each of those units. Clicking up here, that box up there allows you to see the actual map, and this is the what I've been using to look at specific courses in the curriculum review process. So that's how you do it. And that's all I really have to say.